Need to adjust the PTO belt on my D105 lawn mower with a welded bracket.
What is the complete model and serial number of your machine?
D105.
Are you fixing this yourself? What have you tried so far?
Replace the Blet, but it is loose. YouTube videos show a bolted bracket that can be used for the adjustment. But mine is welded to the blade frame.
Anything else you want the agriculture mechanic to know before I connect you?
Thanks, but no.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. The belt is tightened by the tension spring and movable idler. There is no manual adjustment. Is the spring and lever moving as they should? https://partscatalog.der.com/jdrc/sidebeside/equipment/65843/refer/navigation/pg@194218443.
Hello Curtis, the belt is very loose and needs to be tightened. The bracket, item 19, is where one would make this adjustment. However, on my model D105 it is welded and no bolts. How can the belt be adjusted? The cable for the PTO is not adjustable to my knowledge. Open for suggestions. Thanks, Bill. How is JustAnswer connected to John Deere? Hello Curtis, where did you go? You still there?
The cable has to pull the idler into position. Does the lever move with the cable? Cable has no adjustment.
The cable does pull the idler into position, but again the belt has too much slack even when engaged. How can the belt be tightened with a welded bracket?
Is this the original belt? The belt is too long, or is not on the pulleys in the right routing. The lever the cable moves is the one that has to tighten the belt, the other idler is fixed.
Factory belt from John Deere and routing of belt is correct.
Then the cable is not pulling far enough, the cable may be stretched.
Only has 19.0 hours total on the mower. How can one adjust the cable?
There is no cable adjustment, only place cable could have been moved, would have been where the cable bracket goes to the deck. You say yours is welded, so there is no adjustment. Is tractor still in warranty?
Not sure, bought it in 2016.
It is out of warranty. Look at the owner's manual link below, under the service mower section, and look at the deck belt adjustment. What deck do you have? http://manuals.der.com/omview/omgx25410_19/?TM=ho.
107 centimeters, 42 inches, mower deck. The link shows the adjustable bracket and not the welded bracket. There has to be a way to adjust the belt tension on the welded bracket.
You can bend the bracket or shim under the cable. That is it.
Okay, thanks for the help. Wish me luck and cheers.
Thanks. I see the question is still open.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.